Okay, I tried to show this in another video and it didn't turn out very well. To cut the foam, what I've been using is a soldering iron with a flat tip. It seems to work great. I looked at some prices online for some of the actual foam cutters, and quite frankly they seem a little bit excessive in price for what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut with this. It's not perfect, but it works great. That's what I used the foam cutting boards. So I'll try to hold this and show you at the same time. Using my weird little setup here. So once this gets heated, it kind of melts through pretty easy. It'll just take a second, so I'm keeping the trigger on. Once it's heated, it cuts through pretty easy. Like I said, it's not perfect, but you want to save yourself a lot of money and you have yourself a soldering gun. It cuts right through. Pretty easy. And then I use some other tools to, shape this stuff a little bit more. Anyway, that's it.